Just think it's Manila. And I'm done dressing up. Look guys. Wait guys.
Inalagay ko apat na limang short. Ito. Limang short. So, dalawa lang nilagay mo dyan. Wala nga akong short doon.
Yung paano mo kinuha mo?
Ha?
Saya, you need to kwan.
Yung? Yung?
Yung chinelas mo, ilagay mo dyan sa bag.
My slippers? What bag? The orange bag? The orange bag?
Yan yung chinelas mo.
Here's my chinelas. Here's my shoes. Here's my slippers. Here's my slippers. Here's all the snacks that we need in the bus. We got chips. And margarine of Oreos. And this. And this.
Hindi na rin tapos dali
Now we need to put the big chip back because it's for in the bus.
Kaya sa mga daan.
Where am I gonna go? Am I gonna summer today?
Ay, saya. For sure,
My tummy hurts.
Kaya magbawa ka na dito na ipitin mo yung layer mo.
Ha? Nang ipit? Magbaon ako nang ipit.
Ipitin yung layer mo pag gising mo.
Ako na.
Yeah, just put it in.
I want to tally my...
Nakita mo ba yung
Wait, I'm just gonna tie my hair. I'm still gonna comb it. Dada comb. Daddy comb. There's some bit bleeding here. Kanina. What is kanina in English? This bleed. This have blood. This blood. Yeah. I think I just comb my hair right now. Yeah.
Saya mag-mask ka dito.
Opo.
Wait lang, hindi pwede hindi mag-kwan. Huwag ka na mag-kwan, ganyan na. Pero yun, halika. Halika, Saya.
But don't tie my hair. I already tied my hair. Wait. Mommy, it's ouchy. It's itchy. Mommy, tali. This is how I will live, guys. Go to the bus station. Can I bring my cam? Can I bring my cam? Can I bring my cam? No. Nothing. Can I bring my cam?
Tanggalin mo na lang mamaya. Ay, hindi. Mamaya ka na mag-ipit.
Oh.
Nasa bus na.
No, I want to eat it. Ako na mag-eat.
Dito na basa pa nga. Sasakit ulo mo. Huwag nga naman tigas ulo mo dyan. Toothbrush mo. Dito na mga
Toothbrush! Oh. Drinks and water? Chef. Drinks and water.
Susi ng motor?
This. And the big one. This. I can carry it
brush na. Lagay mo dito.
with
Kailangan na ako dito yan na ba?
the what? The brush! Oh my gosh, bro, my toothbrush. So I need to help my daddy. Dada. I need to help my dada. Kuya Nero, nabati nila naman. Why?
Ito ka piya.
No, Nero. He's here. He don't want to talk with his own. He don't want me to talk to his own friends. But they're saying hi and they miss me. So bye.